I'm Kunjan Bhatt, a canine behaviorist and trainer, and I would like to share something what I have oftenly seen on internet, obviously these days, and obviously I get lots of inquiries or trainings also in perspective to my dogs is very easygoing, very friendly, he or she. But when it comes to grooming or when it comes to ear cleaning and very small things which are actually not that small when it comes to a longer run to see, because आगे जाके you don't know कि किस तरह के infection कब कहाँ पे हो सकता है, and you need to treat that. And if the dog is not comfortable with particular that act, so of course the dog will react to it, and then the pet parent is clueless how to help the dog in certain situations. So yes, coming back to that, I often seen, especially online की मैं बात कर लूँ, like मेरे पास आ जाते हैं या कहीं और बिहेवियरिस्ट या कहीं और हेल्प के लिए जाते हैं, तो वो पेट पेरेंट्स को मैं इंक्लूड नहीं, बट जो ऐसी रील्स बनाते हैं, जो ऐसे शॉर्ट्स बनाते हैं या अपने व्लॉग्स में इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं कि सी हाउ माय डॉग रिएक्ट्स, और उसको नहाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, देखो उसके ड्रामे कैसे हैं, दे ट्राई टू portray that thing in a funnier way, but actually that is not funny. It is so sad to see that dogs discomfort, stress, and the environment, the chaos has been generated in that environment, and a human being is not able to see that simple thing. It is very sad. So please don't promote such kind of thing. It's not cute. Don't normalize कि अच्छा कुत्ता तो ऐसा ही करता है, नहीं, no, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. It is like that. Whatever you will able to nurture your pet, the comfort level. Magic, can you stand up? Thank you. Come here. They will definitely display only that behaviors. You see, खास करके सबको लगता है कि ओ मैं पपी ले आऊंगा या ले आऊंगी, whatever, मैं उसको अच्छे से सब सिखा पाऊंगी. But are you able to, just by looking at some videos on which they are just able to teach you obedience training? Obedience training is more like book reading a book or learning something from a book. But when it comes to practical things, it's a total different game, because your dog, you have taught your dog to sit, but in which state of mind they are sitting. Are they sitting calmly? Are they sitting with stress? Are they sitting with excitement, over excitement? How? A normal pet parent can't understand. Only a professional can help you with that. One need to understand that certain things are there where you need help with professionals, right? अदरवाइज आजकल तो गूगल बाबा हर चीज दिखा देता है कि आपको कौन सी बीमारी है, क्या है. बट स्टिल वी गो टू डॉक्टर्स, राइट? वी डोंट ट्रीट आवरसेल्फ. हम जाते हैं डॉक्टर्स के पास, हम रिपोर्ट्स करवाते हैं और उसके आधार पे हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं, राइट? इट गोज लाइक दैट. साइकोलॉजी, ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी चाहे रहे, चाहे एनिमल साइकोलॉजी, पर्टिकुलरली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डॉग साइकोलॉजी ओवर हियर. No matter how many dogs in your life you have encounter, it will be lesser number of dogs compared to a professional. So respect that and try to, take an help from a professional. Okay, exactly what your pet is facing. You know, you need to help them and yourself as well. Everyone deserves the peace and calmful relationship, because mental health is very important, not just for human being, but for our canine best friends. Hey, come here. Yeah, I hope this makes sense to lots of people, because I want harmony in such a beautiful species we have got, and they give so much love to us, and they bring so much to us, and it's so beautiful. And to have that beautiful relationship, to have that beautiful bond with them, even we need to understand their psychology, their thinking, what they are, what they want. Certain things are generic, and there are certain things which every individual dog has their own personalities to it. I hope this video will reach to lots of pet parents who can, understand that it's not funny. If your dog is in stress, it's not funny. Try to help them. What a manner you can, help, take in help from anywhere, whatever. If you find this video informative and you like, so please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay.